Guys, I'm blown away. And it looks insane, honestly, especially now with this light.
That sun. Oh wait, I've got a visor. That's better.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is so confusing. You can drive.
Can I?
Yeah, you can drive. This is so confusing because you're like, wait, what? What's that noise? We're actually in the 350
For once.
and we're going on the road because we're going to do a little reveal video. Yeah, the car's actually painted. It's on the road. It's fully legal.
Taxed, MOT'd and insured.
Taxed, MOT'd, insured, all that good stuff. Which is really fucking weird because this has been a long time coming, hasn't it?
Which way are we going?
That way.
That way?
Yeah. So we're going to drive there now and go to the place that we need to go to record it. And I think we're actually going to go. Where are we going to go? Are we going to the place where we actually revealed the course at that time?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we're going to go there. But in the meantime, what we are going to do, Kuba at Protect Smart, he actually did a solid job on this car, didn't he?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, it come back looking like a completely fucking different car. So in the process of us driving to this place, we're going to leave you in his capable hands and show you just exactly how he ripped this car apart, literally.
This is pretty much the first video that I'm taking of the Z, Rusty's 350Z. A bit of work has been done to it already. It came, all the panels were on the car, but I've been taking it off. I've took all the panels off, I've put them away. Thought I would start on the car first. So the car's been, well, to start with, because I forgot to record previous steps that I did, but the car was, most of the panels on the car were covered in glue residue. So first I had to take all that glue residue off the car with thinners. Then sanded the whole car. I fixed a few little things that were on the roof, boot lid. There was a few on the other quarter from what I remember. So all of them got, you know, repaired. And yesterday the whole car, well, all the bits that you can see really, because the bonnet's carbon fibre, so that ain't getting painted. But the shuts, the roof, the boot lid, and the obviously both quarters, they got hybrid primer on them, and now it's been already all prepped, all sanded. There's just like a few bits coming through where I rubbed through, but they're gonna get a bit of a spot primer on them. But now it's the time to, because it's all prepped, it's time to remove all the paper, all the masking, and just basically clean everything, get the car out, blow it all off, clean the whole booth, and then basically bring it back in here and remask it exactly the same way it is now, but just with fresh masking tape and fresh paper. So yeah. So here it is, the Z is currently painted. I prepped it, remasked it, and it's currently done. It's come out pretty clean, only very few bits of dust in it. But yeah, very clean. So the main part of the car basically done. What I'm going to have left to do is just crack on with the doors and the wings, get them painted, and then crack on with the body kit. The car's all painted, it's just back in the corner for now. The next bits we're going to paint is both doors. They're both got a high-bolt primer on them, literally just blocking it all down now. There's the other door, and also I basically stripped all the rubbers from underneath because we're gonna do both sides, make sure it's done properly. There's two wings over there as well, they're in primer. So yeah, that's the panels we're gonna do next. Two doors, two wings, and we'll squeeze them in the booth as well. Two pillars, and I think we're gonna try to squeeze both headlights and rear clear the headlights because they're quite faded. Yeah, so these are the next bits that are going in the booth very, very soon. So yeah, the car car's all painted, the actual car itself. The doors, both wings are back on the car. And here we go with literally just primed the both bumpers, the rear spoiler and both side skirts. So they all got high build primer on them. It's basically dry now, I think. So we're gonna crack on and we need to sand it all down and get it all ready for paint. Both skirts and the the spoiler has been painted, and I actually put one of them on just to see what it looks like, and yeah, that does look pretty good. The car's starting to really, you know, start looking sort of complete-ish. The front and rear bumpers are on as well. It's starting to all make sense really. Quickly show you the rear bumper as well. Can't really see much, but the rear bumper is all on. It's only it's not really all, nothing's all lined up. I only just put it on with a few bolts to sort of hold it there. But yeah, we're almost there. So today I was hoping that I can get the whole car built up together, but I started on this side, got both of the arches on, and it actually looks really good. But when I got to the other side, I've noticed like everything is just so nice, but I've noticed, where is there, that there's a bit of reaction on the edge of one of the wings. So I tried to see if I can just flatten polish it, because sometimes on the black you can literally get away with a lot of things, but that one happened because it goes straight through. So has to be sanded down again and redone. And on this bit, Silamy did a little tiniest run there that I wanted to sort out, but as you can see, gone through. So this section will just have to be redone again. And because it's mounted to the wing, I'm just gonna have to mask off the whole wing and just redo the fuel flap. So yeah, and then basically the same thing here. Had a tiniest sag over here. You can slightly sort of see it because I only just started flattening it, but it's gone through straight away. It's gone through here, so yeah, just one of them things I thought I would show, because it's, you know, sometimes it goes smooth, but there will be little, you know, accidents on the way. It just is what it is. We're just gonna have to flat it down again and paint it. So it's not a massive deal. Plus I'll probably get the handles and the mirrors in it as well. And yeah, just do that. But this side is, yeah, looking really good. It's not far off. Guys, I'm blown away. The car's basically done. The only things I've got left to do is mirrors and handles, but I've just put pretty much, well, everything apart from the bits on the car, and it looks insane, honestly, especially now with this light. There's still a few bits to polish on it and stuff like that, but just have a look. Just look at that, honestly, especially this side as well that's been polished. Oh mate, it's crazy. I haven't even done the fenders yet. Like they're literally the gun finish. I've only polished a few bits like of dust from the door and the core. But yeah mate, it looks unreal, honestly. I'm really happy with it. And it's not even finished yet, and like it's very close to being done. But yeah, I had to put all the bits on, even though it's quite late. Just wanted to see it built up basically. So yeah, we're literally pretty much on a finishing line. Right, I'll show you from the front as well. Oh, just look at that. I'm gonna polish the bonnet as well because it's just a little bit fadey. So I'll do that as well while I'm polishing the other bits. There it is. So here it is. It's all done, all complete. The wing mirrors are back on. I've painted them black because they've been poorly wrapped. Same with the handles. So they're nice and black, nice fresh. Just to be fair, I just need to clean the windows a bit more. But other than that, it is actually complete. And it's looking unreal. I had it outside and it looks crazy, honestly. It's so wide as well and everything. It's really good. Really, really good, really nice. So, just in a couple of days, there will be a recovery driver coming down and collecting it. Going back to Rusty, and hopefully he will be really, really happy with it. Like I am, because I'm actually really happy with it.
We're at the location. I mean, it's getting a little bit dark, so we're gonna have to try and do this as quick as possible. This is actually where we revealed the Corsa wrap, yeah, with the smoke grenade that nearly fucking blew the car up. No, actually, it turned all the engine bay green, didn't it?
Yeah.
That was actually pretty funny.
Yeah, it was. It was good.
So, Kuba has just absolutely smashed this, hasn't he?
Yeah.
It looks like a completely fucking different car, so make sure you're giving him a follow. It'll be in the description, all his links and stuff like that. If you want any work done, honestly, he's fucking transformed this car massively. Yeah, it's just mad, isn't it? Like, seeing it as a completely different car. This car has been off the road for 4 years. All of the blood, sweat and tears has literally finished. Like, when we've actually finished a project, or kind of finished a project, we've stuck to our guns, we've said what we was doing, we've gone all the way through, no matter how long it's actually taken, and here we are. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to turn it this way.
It's not gonna. Apparently, it won't look great, won't look smooth, nothing like that. Looks pretty good.
It looks pretty fucking good, I'm not gonna lie. Kuba's just absolutely smashed it. We're not bodywork people, we're really fucking not. And to say it's a first attempt, I'm pretty fucking impressed. I'm pretty impressed. But you be the judge.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. 1 time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. It's clear, see. I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the lights, the game.
So, what do you guys think? Put it down in the comments down below. Like I said, some of you may say, oh, it's not the same on both sides. No, it's not. The actual car isn't. But I don't like that look. I really don't like that look. So we're going decals on both sides as well.
You only done that though for camera?
Yeah, pretty much for the camera, because only one side was majority on film, wasn't it? Yeah. So we prefer the look with both of them on. The front plate, which fucking hell, just looks like he's got a moustache. It's only on there because literally we had to get it MOT'd. I've ordered a smaller plate. It is legal, by the way. And they've also just sold the private reg.
Oh yeah.
I've had that reg for years. It's been registered to the car, and I've had the rear plate put on for God knows how long. Well, actually not on the car ever.
It only got put on last night.
Yeah, before the MOT. And then we had to quickly get a front plate because I realised, oh shit, I didn't get a front plate. We actually originally only got the rear plate because we needed to know where all the light fixtures sat and everything. So yeah, that's that. So there's a few bits left we still need to, I mean, there's a lot we need to do. I ordered some bolts for the Archer, some alley ones, because the stainless ones do they do seem to rust, but I ordered the wrong ones, so I just had to send them back, and yeah, the heads was too big, so they've just sent me some more. Well, they're going to send me some more, so hopefully I can get them swapped over. We're taking the car to be wrapped, well, the decals to be put on. We're not doing it, only just because of the fact that we want to record it, to be a better video for you guys, and we can spend more time on recording it as well. So the decals are going on, and for that we've got to take the kit off.
Only the archers.
Yeah, but didn't really want to be doing that. We have got obviously these badges as well. I've ordered some new ones of these, so they're not on yet. So that is why they are missing
until after the decals are on anyway.
Yeah, the decals need to go on first. It makes it easier for them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, The petrol cap works. It takes 2 people to fill it, but it works.
It don't though.
No, it don't. That's only because we don't want to scratch it. But it does work. So yeah, it actually looks crazy. It needs some new tyres. They're still legal and everything, but I want them all to match. So that's another thing that can come. But now we can drive it places.
You forgot it's had new brakes.
We can actually do it. Oh yeah, we've put new EBCs on all around as well. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe, because we'll keep giving you updates on this. We've got the boot build and everything to do. We've got the interiors and things to do. After we've had fun with it, it's forging turbo time.
And also in the meantime we've got another car to do.
Yes, we do.
I don't know if you've ever told them about
No, we haven't. You'll see. You'll see. Like, comment and subscribe. If you don't, I'll cry.
that. Shoot yourself.